All right, ladies and gentlemen, a refill revolution is critical if we are going to tackle our plastics crisis. And if you are like me, I am sick of seeing our garbage pile up in landfills. Refill today exists, but it's messy, it's manual, and there's zero data behind it. Who's done this before? Yeah. How can we expect people to refill consistently under these conditions? That is why Ecourage has set out to standardize refill with the first automated, mess-free, data-driven solution. Our refill system contains the following. The first is smart dispensing technology, where every element, including the packaging, is NFC enabled. If you think of the credit card chip on your, or the chip on your credit card that you use to tap to pay, or if you've ever opened your hotel room with your phone, that's the same technology that we're using to track the system in real time, down to every fill and every container. Secondly, the machines are equipped with bulk reserves so that we can support large volumes of product without the need to constantly restock. Lastly is our SaaS-based digital management platform. Data at this level unlocks customer engagement opportunities that Refill has never seen before. Again, Refill exists today, but it's one-off pilots in hyper-local markets, and we aim to scale Refill. And in order to do that, we need bulk economics to make it financially viable from the supply chain to the end consumer. Think of it as Costco pricing without the Costco volume, which means that you and I don't need to buy a drum of soap in order to get the best cost per ounce. Secondly are the data insights captured by our digital platform. Not only is this for machine performance, but for inventory forecasting, and more importantly, especially in today's EPR world, climate and environmental reporting. Lastly is a consumer adoption program that's focused on refill incentives and convenience, because if people don't use the machine and come back and use it again and again and again, then we can't affect real behavioral change. We've already started the heavy lifting with deployments in Japan and in New Zealand, and coming very soon to Europe and the United States. These deployments span across large retail chains like Carrefour in Europe and Aeon in Japan, to even a back-of-house setting with our large cleaning supplier, Alfeos, in the Netherlands. It's the same system, vastly different markets, consistent results across all of them. These early deployments are giving us valuable insights to the user experience and how we can standardize adoption. We've already started manufacturing our second generation machines that we're calling Omnicore. They're going to be released this summer, built directly from those learnings. And with the help of our diversified revenue streams, which includes bulk packaging, software licenses, and machine sales, if we hit our goal of 6,000 machines by the year 2030, we'll have generated over $50 million in revenue. The last piece of our magic lies in our team. Our leadership is made up of individuals with over 20 years of experience each in their field. Our company is based in Norway, and we have a US headquarters in Michigan, and our team spans across Europe and the United States. Though we have global reach, we know that scaling refill only works when it's supported locally, which brings us to Washington. Your culture, infrastructure, progressive state policies all uniquely support our goals, and we think our solution has its best chance to take root and prove mass adoption right here. We want to bring refill machines to your state, and so to do that, we are asking for launch partners, whether that's retailers, hospitality groups, college or corporate campuses, investors willing to sponsor machines. And while I'll just make a little note here, while retailers are great and we would welcome any and all of them, our solution does go beyond that. If you can picture a refill machine in a dorm or an apartment that's stocked with laundry detergent, dish soap, shampoo, and conditioner, now students can fill what they need and what they can afford that week. Or maybe you can envision a multi-product or a multi-brand machine, like a mini store at a large corporate campus, like Amazon or Boeing, right? The possibilities start to multiply. Which leads me to the last thing I want to leave you with. We've proven the system works in multiple and various markets, and now we aim to scale it. That's something we call Refill the World, starting in our backyard, because we know we're gonna need additional local businesses to help stand up and get 50 or more machines online and supported long after installment. If you are or know of a launch partner ready to work with us, please reach out to myself or our co-founder, John, who's here with us today. We hope you all join the Refilution and let's scale Refill together. Thank you.